Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video what we discussed we discussed related to commutative property of rational numbers. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about that associative property. What is that? Associative property. Firstly, what is the definition of that associative property? Okay, what is that definition here? Let A by B, C by D, E by F. Here we have to take that three rational numbers. Okay, or any three rational numbers. Any three. Previous we taken up to only two rational numbers. No, here are any three rational numbers. Then A by B star C by D star E by F, which is equals to A by B star, in any way we can write this one, star E by F. Okay, by observing this one what we can say here? Previously by changing the order we discussed, just here by grouping them. Okay, there is a difference in that by grouping them of the numbers. Okay, grouping of numbers, that difference only there. No, first here see that first they added that 2 and 3 rational numbers, and here we added that first 1 and 2 rational numbers. To that resultant we have to add that third resultant, third rational number. Okay ma, so this is that associative property. Here how many rational numbers we taken? 3 rational numbers we taken. Okay, now here see that what is that star here? Star be any fundamental operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Clear? Now comes under that addition. Under that addition. Okay, see here. Let A is equals to 5 by 7, B is equal to 2 by 7, C is equals to 1 by 7. Okay, how many numbers we taken here? 3 rational numbers we taken here. Now see that A by B star C by D star E by F. First simplify it. How much you will get? A by B is equals to, sorry, here we taken like this. No, okay, A by B, this is C by D, this is E by F. Okay, 3 rational numbers. Now A by B is equal to 5 by 7, and here star means under addition no ma, so that's why here we have to take that addition symbol we have to take. 5 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Okay, plus E by F is equal to 1 by 7. What is the meaning of this one? First we have to add that first 1 and 2 rational numbers. To that resultant we have to add that third rational number. Understood? Now here see that what is that value here? 7 and 7. Again same value you will get here. Just add that numerators. Okay, 5 plus 2 plus 1 by 7, which is equals to here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 by 7, plus to that resultant we have to add 1 by 7. No, its denominator is again equals to 7. What is the numerator here? 7 plus 1. Then finally how much you will get ma? 8 by 7. What is that value here? 8 by 7. Okay, now what we have to simplify? Now A by B plus C by D plus E by F, just you have to group that next two numbers, 2 and 3 numbers. Okay, what is that first number? A by B is equal to 5 by 7. 5 by 7 plus here C by D is equal to 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7. First you have to add the 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Okay, to that resultant we have to add that first rational number. Clear ma? Now here 5 by 7 plus, what is that answer here? 7, 2 plus 1. Okay, 5 by 7 plus 2 plus 1, 3 by 7, which is equal to, again the denominator is 7. Just add the numerators here. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 by 7. Previous also we got 8 by 7 only, no? While adding that first two numbers to that first two numbers resultant, here if you are adding the third number, or if you add that 2 and 3 numbers to that resultant, if you add that first number, then also we are getting the same resultant as 8 by 7 only, no? So from this one, what we can say here? A by B plus C by D plus E by F. If you add that, if you group them in any way, the resultant is same. Understood ma? Here this is satisfying or not, which is equals to 8 by 7. 8 by 7 is equal to 8 by 7. So we are getting that same answer or not here? Yes, of course we are getting the same resultant only. That's why here, say that rational numbers are associative under which fundamental operation? What is that sign here? Addition only, no? Yes. Rational numbers are associative under addition. Am I clear to you, ma? Yes. Now comes under that second fundamental operation. What is that? That is subtraction. Okay. Now here see that. Let A by B is equal to 11 by 10. Okay. C by D is equals to 2 by 10. E by F is equal to 3 by 10. Okay. Then first what is that ma? A by B minus C by D. From this one just you have to subtract E by F. Okay, that is that first one, which is equals to A by B 11 by 10 minus 2 by 10. From this resultant you have to subtract 3 by 10. Clear ma? Now here what is that answer? 10, 10. Again you will get it as 10. 11 minus 2, which is minus 3 by 10. Which is equals to 11 minus 2, 9 by 10 minus 3 by 10. Okay. Here after simplifying this one, we got it as 9 by 10. From that 9 by 10, just you have to subtract 3 by 10. How much you will get ma? Again this is 10. 9 minus 3, which is equals to here 6 by 10. 2 3s, 2 5s. Again you will get it as 3 by 5. Simplest form, what is that? 3 by 5. That is the value of A by B minus C by D of minus E by F. Now, A by B minus of C by D minus E by F. Okay ma. Now here say that what value you will get here? Say that which is equals to A by B. A by B is equal to 11 by 10 minus of 2 by 10 minus here what you will get ma? 3 by 10. Understood? Just you have to take the subtraction of those two numbers. Then what you will get here? Say that 11 by 10 minus of here 2 minus 3 by 10. Okay. How much you will get here? 11 by 10 minus of 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 10. Okay. Then here 11 by 10 minus of here minus of minus, which is equals to plus 1 by 10, which is equals to 12 by 10. 12 by 10 means what is that answer ma here? 12 by 10. 2 6 12, 2 5 10. 6 by 5. Here those two are having that same answer. Here these two are not having that same resultant, no? That's why here what we can say? Here A by B plus C by, minus C by D minus E by F not equals to A by B minus of C by D minus E by F. Okay, those two values are not equal. Okay, that's why what we can say ma here? Associative rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Am I clear to you ma? Then here rational numbers are associative under addition but not associative under subtraction. Okay. Next fundamental operation is multiplication. What is that? Multiplication. Clear ma? What is that statement for multiplication? Here A by B into C by D into here E by F. Okay, again we have to change that grouping. Let A by B is equal to 1 by 2, C by D is equal to 3 by 4, E by F is equals to 1 by 3. Then A by B into C by D into E by F, which is equals to A by B is equal to how much ma? 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, which is equals to here any cancellations possible? Cancellations not possible. 1 into 3 is equal to 3 by 2 into 4 is equal to 8 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Here we are getting that answer as 1 by 8. Okay. Now, what is that? A by B into C by D into E by F. Now we have to group that C by D and E by F, which is equals to A by B is equal to 1 by 2 into C by D is equal to 3 by 4 into E by F is equal to 1 by 3. Okay ma, any cancellations possible? Yes, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Then here 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and its denominator 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Just observe that those two cases we are having the same resultant or not? Yes, of course 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. That's why A by B into C by D into E by F, which is equals to A by B into C by D into E by F. Those two also having the same value or not? Yes, of course those two also having that same value. Then what is that statement ma? Rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Clear? And still we are having one more fundamental operation. What is that? Division. Okay ma, what is that statement for division? Here let A by B is equals to 1 by 4, C by D is equal to 2 by 5, E by F is equals to 10 by 6 or 6 by 10. Okay, then here see that division A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F. First see this one ma, what you will get? A by B is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 5 into divided by 6 by 10. Okay. Now here see that 1 by 4 division and here the second one is fraction, no? So that's why directly I am writing here, see that denominator is also fraction. That's why fraction become as reciprocal and division become as multiplication. Clear? Divided by 6 by 10. Now any cancellations possible ma? Not possible. Why? Because 4 and 2 having that common factors, but those two also there at the place of denominator. That's why cancellations not possible. 1 into 5 is 5 by 4 2's 8 divided by 6 by 10. Again division 5 by 8. This one become as a denominator only, no? In the denominator we have that fraction, so that's why that one become as a reciprocal and division symbol become as a multiplication. Now cancellations possible ma? Just see that cancellations possible now here. See 2 4's, 2 5's. Is there any other cancellations? Not possible. 5 5's 25, 6 into 4, 6 4's 24. What is that answer here? 25 by 24. Okay. Now here see that now A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F. Okay. Now here A by B is equal to how much you taken here? 1 by 4 divided by C by D is equal to 2 by 5, 6 by 10. 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 10. Okay ma. Now here see that 1 by 4 divided by here 5 and 10. 5 and 10 two different. Just to say that here division symbol is there, no? First you have to change it, right? 2 by 5. Here the second one is a fraction, which means the denominator is also a fraction, no? So that's why fraction become as reciprocal 10 by 6 and division become as multiplication. Okay ma. Now here say that cancellations possible, no? Yes, cancellations possible. 5 ones, 5 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. Finally, what is that answer here? 1 by 4 divided by 1 into 2 is equal to 2 by 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 2 by 3, which is equals to 1 by 4. 2 by 3 become as 3 by 2 and division become as multiplication. Okay. Now here 1 into 3 is equal to 3 by 4 2's 8. Actually here we got that 25 by 24. 25 by 24 is not equals to 3 by 8. Understood ma? That's why what we can say here, A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F not equals to A by B divided by C by D divided by E by F. Okay, 25 by 24 is not equals to 3 by 8. Understood ma? As per this one, what we can statement, what we will give the statement here, rational numbers are not associative, under division. Understood ma? That's it. This is about that associative property. So associative property holds here which fundamental operations? Addition and multiplication only, and not holds that subtraction and division. Am I clear ma? Yes, this is about that associative property. So children, up to here we discussed that 3 types of properties. First one closure completed, next commutative, and in this video we discussed about that associative property. And still we are having some other properties. What are those ma? Distributive property, identity properties and inverse properties. These all we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.